In this video, we will be learning how to change pay types. You can do this two ways, in the Write-Up and Jobs windows. In the Write-Up window, click on Edit on the top of the window. Then, on the lower right corner of the window, you will see Pay Type. Click on the down arrow to the side of the Pay Type box. Then choose the pay type you want and click OK. In the Jobs window, you will essentially do the same thing. Click Edit in the upper left of the window. Under Find, you will see the Pay Type box. Click the down arrow on the side of the box. Pick the pay type you want, then click OK. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to change pay types.